Do you want to have healthy and beautiful eyelashes? Healthy eyelashes are more than just a beauty statement. They serve as our eyes' first line of defense, protecting them from dust and other harmful particles. The importance of maintaining healthy eyelashes cannot be overstated. Not only does it enhance your natural beauty, but it also keeps your eyes clean and safe. This video will walk you through a comprehensive guide to maintaining your eyelashes' health and beauty. So, if you're ready to give your eyelashes the care they deserve, stay tuned. First, understand that your eyelashes, like hair, are made of proteins. These delicate features have a life cycle that includes growth, rest, and shedding stages. This cycle varies for each individual, but typically lasts between 4 to 11 months. Just like the hair on your scalp, eyelashes need regular care to maintain their health and vitality. Neglect can lead to breakage, thinning, and loss. Now that you understand your eyelashes a bit more, let's move to the steps you can take to keep them healthy and beautiful. Scene script. Step 1. Maintain a balanced diet. Just like the rest of your body, your eyelashes need nourishment to grow and stay healthy. Foods rich in proteins and vitamins, especially vitamin E, are your eyelashes' best friends. Think of foods like nuts, seeds, fish, and eggs. They are packed with all the good stuff your eyelashes crave. Now, on to step 2. It's crucial to keep your eyelashes clean, especially before hitting the sack. Sleeping with makeup on can clog the hair follicles, leading to brittle lashes and even lash loss. So, always use a gentle makeup remover to clean your lashes thoroughly. Moving on to step 3. Consider incorporating a lash conditioner or serum into your routine. These products are designed to provide your lashes with the nutrients they need. They can help your eyelashes grow longer, thicker, and healthier. Step 4 is simple, but oh so important. Try to avoid rubbing your eyes. It may seem harmless, but this habit can cause your eyelashes to fall out or break. Be gentle with your eyes and your lashes will thank you. Lastly, step 5. Regular eyelash massages can stimulate growth. It's as simple as using your fingertips to gently rub your eyelids in a circular motion. Just a minute or two a day can make a big difference. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to eyelash care. Make these steps a part of your daily routine. You'll be flaunting those healthy, beautiful lashes in no time. To wrap up, having healthy and beautiful eyelashes requires understanding, care, and consistency. Remember, it starts with comprehending your lashes' unique needs. A balanced diet is crucial, as is keeping your lashes clean. Incorporate a lash conditioner into your routine and avoid rubbing your eyes. Regular eyelash massages are a must. Take care of your eyelashes, and they will surely add beauty to your eyes. Until next time, keep those lashes fluttering beautifully.